The Wealthy Empire Network.
Yo, what's good, family? So right now we are about to get into the second round of the alerts live NBA strategy. All right, so I see a couple alerts. I see USD JPY telling me to sell, which had already started dropping. So at 75 it told me to sell. Kind of got this one a little late. So let me look at gold. All right, gold is perfect. So we're gonna hop in on gold. I'm gonna hop in at like 5 cents because gold is a little wild. It already started dropping, as you can see though. Look at that. It already started dropping right at the 75. It already started retracing. Yeah, look at that. Already in profit, y'all. Already in profit. All right, so yeah, so far so good, man. We looking good out the gate, man. That's crazy. That's never broke again, baby. That's never broke again. Hold on. That's $3. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that 270, man. We growing small accounts, so you know I ain't gonna be greedy with it. But y'all saw straight out the gate, that thing went in profit immediately. Let me make this a little bigger so y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? But real quick, I'm gonna do the other strategy I was telling y'all about before, which is the box method, and I'm gonna do this only because you know I'm just trying to see some things. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see some things. So let me go over here to these. I'm gonna just use this here. I ain't gonna cover the whole thing. I just need to see some things. So this is that's on gold on the daily. So gold on the M15. Let me know, you know, that's a good zone as far as the sell goes. On the 4 hour, yeah, see this already started dropping. So basically on USD JPY in all areas, this thing has hit the 75, kept going up a little bit, you know, and then just dropped. You know what I mean? So it started dropping a little bit. Like I said, some of these, y'all might be able to catch the full drop, but some of these you might just be able to catch half a drop. So sometimes it turns all the way around, sometimes it doesn't. These are already out the zone. This is the only one that's left. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly how long this is gonna drop. So for this one, I'm gonna do the same thing. Let me delete this. I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Yeah, that thing's just gonna keep binging and binging. But I'm gonna do the same thing on the daily. This zone, yeah, it's a pretty decent zone, I guess I could say. So I'll do like that, and then I'm gonna come back down here to the M15 to see where we at. All right, so this was a good zone. All right, so look. Yeah, so I mean, I still may have some room. You know, I still may have some room to go ahead and get in there, but that one gonna take so long. I really only want to get the ones that's over here, only for video purposes. Now, if you somebody who you know, can want to trade this, yeah, definitely trade it. But I just know the 4 hour is gonna take, you know, a long time before it make its final move. But as you can see right here, it's Friday, you know what I'm saying? So it did go above. It went to about 88, went above my zone. So let me know it was super over bought. And so let me know it was dropping, and it did a pretty good drop. How many pips is that right there? Boom, right? And I'm up at, was it 5 in the morning? So I think a lot of these must have been going off at 3 in the morning. So I should have got up a little early. Should have got up a little early, but I caught a little bit of the gold. As y'all can see, the balance, I've been catching a lot of them. The balance and went up to like 480 something. So I've been catching some really good ones. This is just small account stuff, y'all can grow a small account easy with this. But like as y'all seen right out the gate, some of them come out the gate, some of them you gotta wait a little bit. And I think, yeah, this one. So you see what happened? It's Friday. So look, this is the one I just got in, right? The market went up. I mean, it started coming down at 75, right? And then it's Friday, trap day. So it started going right back up. Y'all got that? So that's what I was telling y'all about. Fridays and Mondays, they trap days. So I wasn't expecting it to drop all the way. You know what I'm saying? Because I know Friday, and that's how it worked. But you know, now we see where it's headed, and we can you know, play it by ear. So what I'm looking for, so this is like the highest point. So I'm gonna just draw something up here. This is the highest point. So now with this, with the M5, we could potentially be looking for it to either come back up here and bounce back down, or we could be looking for it to drop completely from here. But I believe it's gonna probably end up going back up some more based off of, let me go H4 with it. Let me see what the trend. So yeah, it's still somewhat of an uptrend. Still ain't really made up his mind right here. So it could get that bounce and still go up. So yeah, it's still somewhat of an uptrend. If it breaks out of the zone, then it may continue, but more than likely, you know, it could form a new trend. So these are the kind of ones that you wait on a little bit. It's still hitting that zone and rejecting. It's still hitting the zone right here and rejecting. So like I said, it may still be sell time on this one, but you just don't know. But matter of fact, just to make the video a little more interesting, we're gonna go ahead and hop in on another 5, and then yeah, we hop in on another 5, and we'll ride these ones out on gold. So gold seemed like it's the one that want to give us the play today, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play on gold today. All right. So this would, let me see, hit him with another one. So yeah, we sit here and we watch this one and we ride it out. You know what I'm saying? I could have caught it more towards the top and stuff like this. You know, once it happens, you will see exactly what I'm talking about on how I know when to get in, how I know when not to get in. You know what I'm saying? Usually you can get in when it's showing strong rejection towards certain zones and stuff like that. And that it'll always just help you out. So right here, if you're looking right here, this was a real good one. So right at 75, which is probably right around in here, it didn't get in all the way. It didn't come down. It went up to about the R side to about 70 something, about 70, let me see, 76, 77, then it started dropping. So sometimes right at 75, it will not drop. If you start getting heavy consolidation like this, don't get in. You know what I'm saying? Heavy consolidation like this, you do not want to get in. Yeah, it's not gonna look good for you. You know what I'm saying? So right, what's happening right now over here? Okay, the market is still around 70, hovering around 75, and it hasn't made its complete drop yet. It's still trying to figure out if it wants to break through these zones or not. It is Friday, so if it does continue to go up, I wouldn't be surprised because it's a trap day, but it looks like it's starting to drop now. But all I'm looking for with the NBA strategy is for it to give me at least, you know, 5 to 10 pips, right? Maybe not 10 pips every time, depending on your lot size or your account. But usually if I'm going on a big account, I just need 5 to 10 pips and I'll have $1,000 day, because I might go in on, you know, 12 to 15 standards. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? That's just me. So I just found that works best for me. Y'all can see this it's already, you know, peaking itself into profit a little bit again. And y'all just be watching this live. I'm just showing you how this thing works. And it does work. I mean, these zones are well respected. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, when I figured that out, I said, oh, yeah, it's go time. But yeah, sometimes some trades you might have to hold long. Sometimes you might be able to, you know, find ones that you don't have to hold as long. Sometimes I had to hold a trade overnight. Sometimes I had to hold it for like a complete day and then a little bit more the next day before it went, you know, profit. But what I was telling some of y'all is when you are placing your trades, right? You could place one at a small lot size. As if the market continues to go up, in this instance, I will wait till it gets to what I believe is its highest point, then I will place another trade, right? And I just wait until it turns around and drops. Like I said, now every time it may give you a little bit of pips or it may give you a lot. It just really depends. So you just got to be patient, and that's it, y'all. That's really it. So this is what we doing. We watching and we waiting. I'm gonna check out this H4 while we wait. Look at that. See, man, this one was really a good one because it really dropped right here at well, okay, 75 right here. So it dropped a little bit on this one on the 75 trap day, you know, so it ended up going up again, then hitting the zone and then dropping. So you would have to wait. So if you'd have got in right here, give you an example. If you'd have got in right here on the sale, you would have got barely anything, right? Then the market would have shot up on you and you would have been like, oh man, it ain't working. Y'all see I'm in profit right now? Crazy, right? So you would have been like, oh man, it ain't working, right? And then you would have hit right here, and then you could have got in another position and hit for the sale. Oh snap, hold on. Yo, let me go back over here. Look at that. Look at that. I'll take my $3.80. We growing small accounts, man. So like I said, I could hold that, but since it's a small account, man, I'm taking everything. $3, $6, $8, $10, it don't matter, because the alerts be going off, you know what I mean? And I could have held, like I said, that was already, that. Look at this, it's dropping, y'all. Y'all see it. I could have held, but I'm just taking them real quick on the video. Normally, I would probably let them hold for a little longer, but since it's the video, I'm just showing y'all right now how this works, all right? But man, that's 2 trades the same, gold. You know what I'm saying? That's 2 trades the exact same on gold. And both of them went into profit. Y'all watched it, literally. You know what I'm saying? I just set up a zone. You know, you can do support and resistance, however you want to do it. But it works. And you just do it and keep doing it. Like I said, I'm actually surprised that today is actually going like this since it is Friday, because a lot of the times the market, I'll get in on the sale, it'll keep going up for a while, and then it'll finally drop. But it's giving me what I need today, which is perfect. You know what I'm saying? But y'all seeing it live. Look, y'all seeing it live. This alert system is a beast. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now, for those of you who have Mac and you've been having problems, for some reason, I don't know. The reason why I don't like Mac is because I always have problems with Mac. I don't know what it is with Mac that makes stuff so complicated, but they complicate everything. Look at this drop, y'all. Ooh, I could have stayed in there. I could have stayed in there. But y'all see it. But yeah, the Mac users, man, I don't know. When I had my wife has a Mac, and it was so hard to get any indicator on her thing. Yeah, I don't know what it is with Mac. They just don't want you to do nothing on it for some reason. So I got Windows and everything worked perfectly. Everything I try to upload. For those of you who may have trouble uploading on the well, no, the brokers. If you the brokers I recommend for this is the ones I have in the description. Also, so check the description to see which brokers, and then also LQDFX and what's the other one? So KOT, Hugo's Way, LQDFX, and Traders Way. Those 4 are the ones that I recommend. If you're using any other ones and you can't get this to work, it's probably either because you're on a Mac, and I know Mac works. You just got to do so many workarounds, and that's gonna be on y'all end as far as the Mac goes. But other than that, then you should be good. If you got Windows, you should definitely be good. But hit me up on that. But look, it's still dropping, y'all. Same alert, man. Look at this. I'm just watching it just so y'all can see that these alerts, man, they powerful if you know how to use them right. And that's why I call it never broke again. People are like, yo, what are you using these? I'm like, I'm still using the NBA strategy, bro. It works. Like, I done figured it out. Like these levels are well respected, and I'll prove it to you. Look at that, man. This is on gold though, so that I could have been up right now, but I got out early, and that's fine. Like sometimes you might catch the one, sometimes you might get out early. It's all good. Y'all just gotta remember, look, with this Forex stuff, you can't give up, man. I don't care how many times, like I said a million times, I don't care how many times you blow accounts, you cannot give up, y'all. But look, all these zones are well respected. All right. So let me do something right quick. Let me go to the daily on here. All right, and I'm gonna do like I was telling you about the box method before. You can do it multiple ways. All it is support and resistance, y'all. It's not really, you know, nothing too technical, but I just do it like this, just to help me out. So all of these wicks, okay, so we're gonna do this here. I'm gonna let this be the play here. Boom. We can wick out like that, and we can wick out up here at the top. Well, I'll just do this for the top. It don't matter. Boom. All right, so now I'm gonna come back here to the M15. All right, and let's see where we at. Boom. Perfect. 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 All right. So this was a zone, which lets me further know. Okay, that's a good zone. That was a good zone. Did any of these hit the 25? Yeah, this one right here. Perfect. This is perfect. So this let me know it passed out the passed through the 25, right? Shot up a little bit right here. I got a little off the 25, right? Then it dropped. Boom. But it was still inside this zone. So guess what? Well, it's go time. So I would have bought up here, right? It would have dropped because I would have bought small up here, so I ain't in as much drawdown. Bought like 2-3 cents up here. Boom, drop down probably like $3-4. Cool. Hit the big boy down here, $2-3, depending on your account size. Now on here, I probably would have did like 40 cents, 50 cents on this account, and then rolled it up, right? But somebody else, if you got like a larger account, maybe $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in there, you do 5 cents up here. If it continues to drop, then you're like, all right, bet, boom. Then you get in on, you know, a standard here, ride it up, and they gave you the pullback directly, like almost right here at the box, and you could have bought again and rolled it all the way up. But you could do stuff like this with the NBA strategy. I mean, it works. It works perfectly. But yeah, like I said, all of these, I'm gonna just go to NZD just so y'all can see well-respected zones. And this one is actually ugly right here. I'm gonna show you. This one is this is an ugly one. Let me go. Where is it? Oh, I see it. Hold on. Here we go. Look at this one. All right. So right at the 25. So this was a gap. This was a gap day. So this probably was over the weekend gap or whatever. But all right, right at the 25, it did this little drop because of the gap. Then right here at 18 RSI, still in the zone, the 25 and 16. At 18, it decided to go up, and it went up how many pips? Let's see. From here to here, we went up 10 pips. That's not bad at all. That's perfect. That's perfect. But like I said, you get up early in the morning, you will have it. But y'all just saw me place 2 trades live on here. And like I said, it's not about getting $500, $600, $700 a day. Little by little, just get little by little, man. It'll all grow. Like I said, this account was at what, 300 something. I got it up to like 485 now. You know what I'm saying? Just all NBA alerts. And I'm telling you, it works. You just got to keep doing it. You got to know what to look for. So this kind of stuff right here, I would stay away from this. Look at all this. Look at this. It's just up and down, like small consolidation. So right here, you might have to, you know, either draw a trend line, something like this, see when it breaks, or you could draw a box, and once it comes out of that heavy consolidation, or you could just draw a consolidation box around here. Once it comes out of that, then the candle should start to get a little bigger. Yeah, because that was just heavy consolidation, so you don't want that. But look, let me go to USD CHF. I don't even really trade this one like that. I'll go to US 30 again. Let's go back to US 30. Same rules apply on US 30, right? This was heavy consolidation. I stay away from that. A lot of busyness. I'm looking for clear drops. This one is actually a good drop. Right off the, what, 75? Drop. Came up. Dropped again. But that one, like I said, some of them, you might just be able to catch the drop, but you might not catch the whole move. So some of them you got to kind of determine, do I want to hold this? Like if you would have held, but it's US 30, so I definitely wouldn't be trying to hold too long on these unless you got a big account. But that's just indices. The NAS 100, same way. They actually almost look the same. Look at it. Actually, that drop almost looked the same. But this NAS 100, same way. Right off the 75. So these ones is this one right here is beautiful. You get a setup like this, y'all. Look at this, bro. You get a setup like this. Where'd it go? I just lost it. There it go. These are the perfect setups. Look at this. Right off the 75. Drop, right? You would have got that. Market came back up. Now, if you'd had a zone like this one, you would know. Hit the zone. Big sell-off, massive sell-off right here. So that's how you able to do that. This one, let me see, it's still dropping, but I don't know for how long though. I feel like I got in too late. Well, it's still outside of the zone, so it may give me some more, but I don't know if I want to wait that long on the video, y'all. But yeah, I did get up at 5. I mean, I got like two alerts off of there, but the probably at 3 o'clock is when they all was going off. So I should have got up a little bit earlier. But yeah, man, this is just another video kind of explaining different ways to do it. Like I said, they work, man. They work. They've been working for a long time. Ever since I, came out with the scanner last year, things, man, they be working. And so that's all I do. Come in these markets and I eat. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I'm not trying to get $1 million out of here. I'm just trying to get enough to, pay the bills. So if you think with that mindset, it's like, all right, I just need a little bit off of this. And then, eventually, as your account grows, you can raise your lot size and make, even more. Even your $4, $5, $6 scalp gonna turn into a $30 to $40 scalp, and then from there it's gonna turn to a $100 to $300 scalp, and then from there it's gonna be $500 to $700. It's just eventually you'll get comfortable with doing it. You'll know exactly how it works, and you'll just kill. So that's just pretty much, again, explaining kind of how to grow a small account. Two, if I'd have got some more alerts, I'd have placed them all, because I'm telling you, all of them things be pretty much booming. And like I said, with this strategy, I don't even be losing that much. Like I used to when I first was trying to figure it out, but now that I figured it out, and the main thing is, when you first hop in, don't go in big. Go in small. See where the market is going. Right. If it starts to go up, then you can hop in on a bigger one if it shows you in that direction. But if it doesn't and it keeps going down, then you wait till it get to its lowest point. You hop in on the big one and just keep going. So let's say you do 0.01, it drop down some more. You do 0.02, it drop down some more. Then you do 0.05. You know what I'm saying? And then you ride it all the way up, and you are in profit on all of them because you can hold as long as you want. You just gotta, finesse the game. But that's how you can grow a small account, man. Y'all just keep using it, keep practicing it. All it takes is a little practice. Don't give up. You know what I'm saying? Stay in these markets and get this money. You're gonna help your family. You're gonna be a blessing. And that's just what it is. We're gonna all eat all year long. But this is part 2. I'll probably make some more. Like I said, I'm gonna just be showing y'all every day that this thing work, bro. Y'all send me y'all results too whenever y'all get them on Instagram, and it is what it is. I'm gonna post them too. So let's get it.